What if machines could do most of your daily work without human effort? Automation is quietly transforming the world faster than most people realize. From factories to smartphones, automation is already everywhere around us. Many people use automation daily without even noticing its presence. It works by following instructions or intelligent decision systems automatically. Simple tasks are now handled by machines instead of humans repeatedly. This shift is changing how industries operate across the entire world. Automation increases speed, accuracy, and efficiency in almost every process. It reduces human error by replacing repetitive manual actions. Businesses use automation to save time and reduce operational costs significantly. A single system can perform thousands of tasks in seconds. This would take humans hours or even days to complete manually. Automation is not new, but modern technology has made it powerful. Early automation started with basic mechanical machines in factories. Today, artificial intelligence has taken automation to a new level. Machines can now learn patterns and improve performance over time. This makes automation smarter and more adaptable than ever before. Many jobs are now supported or fully replaced by automated systems. This creates both excitement and fear in modern society. Some people see automation as a threat to employment opportunities. Others see it as a chance to improve human productivity. Automation allows humans to focus on creative and strategic work. Repetitive tasks are no longer necessary for human workers in many fields. This shift is changing the structure of workplaces globally. Factories now use robotic arms for precise manufacturing processes. These robots work continuously without fatigue or breaks. In offices, software automation handles data processing and reporting tasks. Emails, scheduling, and reminders can all be automated easily today. Even customer service is increasingly powered by automated chat systems. These systems respond instantly to common questions and requests. Automation is also used in transportation systems worldwide. Self-driving technology is an example of advanced automation in action. It aims to reduce human involvement in driving and navigation. Financial systems use automation for transactions and fraud detection. This helps banks operate faster and more securely than before. Healthcare systems also use automation for diagnosis and record management. Machines assist doctors by analyzing large amounts of medical data. Automation helps detect diseases earlier and more accurately in many cases. Education platforms use automated systems for personalized learning experiences. Students receive customized lessons based on their performance automatically. This makes learning more efficient and accessible worldwide. Automation is also present in smart homes and daily life devices. Lights, temperature, and security systems can operate automatically. These systems respond to user behavior and environmental changes. Automation improves convenience and comfort in everyday living. However, it also raises concerns about privacy and data usage. Many automated systems rely on collecting large amounts of user data. This data is used to improve performance and personalization, but it also creates risks if not managed properly. Security becomes an important factor in automated technologies. Hackers can target automated systems if protections are weak. This is why cybersecurity is critical in automation development. Automation continues to grow across almost every industry today. Its impact is visible in both small tasks and large systems. Even social media platforms use automation for content recommendations. Algorithms decide what users see based on their behavior patterns. This influences attention, engagement, and digital experiences significantly. Automation is reshaping how humans interact with technology daily. It reduces effort, but increases dependency on digital systems. This balance creates both benefits and challenges for society. Understanding automation is important for future career development. Many future jobs will require working alongside automated systems. Human skills will shift toward creativity, management, and decision-making. Technical understanding of automation will become increasingly valuable. The world is moving toward a more automated future rapidly. This transformation is happening across all major industries globally. Automation is no longer optional, but becoming essential for growth. Companies that adopt automation often outperform those that do not. Efficiency becomes a major competitive advantage in modern markets. Automation continues to evolve with artificial intelligence integration. This combination creates even more powerful and intelligent systems. The future of automation is deeply connected to AI development. Together, they will redefine how work and life function. Society must adapt to these rapid technology. As automation grows, it begins reshaping entire economies around the world. Industries are restructuring to rely more on machines than manual labor. This transition is not sudden, but happens gradually over time. Many companies first automate small tasks before scaling larger systems. Small improvements in automation often lead to massive efficiency gains. Efficiency becomes the main reason businesses invest in automation technology. Time saved through automation allows faster decision-making in organizations. Faster decisions often lead to better business performance overall. Automation also reduces the need for repetitive human supervision. This allows employees to focus on higher-level problem-solving tasks. However, this shift requires workers to develop new skill sets. Skills like critical thinking and digital literacy become extremely important. Traditional manual jobs are slowly replaced or redesigned by machines. This change creates both opportunity and uncertainty in job markets. Some roles disappear completely while new ones are created. For example, robot maintenance jobs are now increasingly in demand. Data analysts and automation engineers are becoming essential in industries. Automation is not only about replacing work, but improving it. In many cases, humans and machines work together as partners. This collaboration increases productivity beyond what humans can achieve alone. Manufacturing industries were the first to adopt large-scale automation systems. Assembly lines now operate with minimal human intervention in many factories. Robots perform repetitive tasks with high precision and consistency. This reduces production errors and improves product quality significantly. Logistics companies use automation for tracking and delivery optimization. Packages are sorted and routed using intelligent automated systems. This reduces delivery time and improves customer satisfaction levels. Retail industries use automation for inventory and stock management. Automated systems track products and predict demand patterns efficiently. This helps businesses avoid shortages or overstocking problems. Agriculture is also experiencing a wave of automation technologies. Smart farming systems monitor soil, water, and crop health automatically. Drones are used to survey large farmland areas quickly. Automated irrigation systems save water and improve crop yield. Even harvesting machines can now operate with minimal human input. Transportation is another major sector affected by automation advancements. Self-driving vehicles are being tested in various parts of the world. These systems aim to reduce human error in road accidents. Traffic management systems use automation to control congestion in cities. Smart signals adjust timing based on real-time traffic conditions. In healthcare, automation supports doctors in diagnosis and treatment planning. AI-powered tools analyze medical images with high accuracy levels. This helps detect diseases earlier than traditional methods sometimes allow. Hospitals use automated systems for scheduling and patient record management. This reduces administrative workload for healthcare professionals significantly. In finance, automated trading systems execute transactions within milliseconds. These systems analyze market trends faster than human traders can. Fraud detection systems automatically identify suspicious financial activity. This improves security and protects users from potential threats. Education systems are also becoming more personalized through automation. Learning platforms adjust difficulty levels based on student performance. Automated feedback systems help students improve faster and more effectively. Teachers can focus more on guidance rather than repetitive grading. Communication tools use automation to filter messages and organize content. Spam filters automatically block unwanted emails from inboxes. Social media platforms use algorithms to personalize user experiences. These systems decide what content users see based on behavior. This increases engagement, but also raises concerns about influence. People may unknowingly consume content shaped by automated decisions. This raises questions about control and transparency in digital systems. Automation also impacts creativity and content production industries. AI tools can now generate articles, images, and videos instantly. This reduces the time required for content creation significantly. However, it also raises concerns about originality and authenticity. Some creators fear automation will replace human artistic roles. Others believe it will enhance creativity by providing new tools. Automation changes not only work, but also human behavior patterns. People begin relying more on systems for daily decision making. This increases convenience, but may reduce independent thinking skills. Balance between automation and human control becomes very important. Proper regulation is needed to ensure responsible use of techno. As automation expands, ethical concerns become increasingly important in society. One major concern is whether machines should make critical decisions. When systems decide outcomes, accountability becomes harder to define clearly. If an automated system fails, responsibility can become unclear quickly. This raises questions about trust in technology-driven environments today. People must decide how much control to give automated systems. Too much reliance on automation may reduce human oversight dangerously. Too little automation may slow progress and efficiency significantly. Finding the right balance is one of the biggest challenges. Governments are now exploring regulations for safe automation deployment. These rules aim to protect workers and consumers from harm. Safety standards ensure machines operate reliably in real-world conditions. Without regulations, automation could create unintended risks in society. Another concern is data privacy in automated digital systems. Automation often depends on collecting and analyzing large datasets. This data can include personal information from millions of users. If misused, it can lead to privacy violations and security breaches. Strong cybersecurity systems are essential to protect sensitive information. Companies must ensure transparency in how automated systems use data. Transparency builds trust between users and technology providers. Trust is critical for widespread acceptance of automation technologies. Without trust, people may resist adopting automated solutions entirely. Another key issue is job displacement caused by automation systems. Some roles are reduced as machines take over repetitive tasks. This creates fear among workers in many traditional industries. However, new job categories are also being created simultaneously. These new roles require technical and analytical skills development. Workers must adapt by learning how to operate new technologies. Lifelong learning becomes essential in an automated economy. Education systems must evolve to match industry demands effectively. Schools are beginning to teach coding and digital literacy early. These skills prepare students for future automated workplaces. Automation does not eliminate work entirely, but transforms it. Humans shift from manual labor to supervisory and creative roles. This shift increases demand for critical thinking abilities. Decision-making becomes more important than physical execution tasks. Automation handles repetition, while humans handle judgment and strategy. This division improves efficiency across many industries globally. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance reduces machine downtime significantly. Sensors detect issues before they cause system failures. This allows companies to fix problems before breakdowns occur. In logistics, automation improves route planning and fuel efficiency. Delivery systems adapt dynamically to traffic and weather conditions. This reduces delays and operational costs for companies. In agriculture, automated systems monitor crop health continuously. Data-driven farming improves yield and reduces resource waste. Farmers can make better decisions using real-time information. Automation increases sustainability in food production systems. In healthcare, robotic surgery improves precision and recovery outcomes. Automated diagnostics reduce human error in medical analysis. This leads to faster and more accurate treatment decisions. In finance, algorithms manage investments with high-speed efficiency. Automated systems detect fraud patterns faster than humans can. This protects financial institutions and customers from losses. In education, AI tutors provide personalized learning experiences. Students receive feedback tailored to their individual needs. This improves learning outcomes and engagement levels significantly. However, over-automation may reduce human interaction in learning environments. Social development is also important alongside academic progress. Automation must therefore support, not replace, human connection. In creative industries, AI tools assist rather than fully replace creators. Writers use automation for brainstorming and editing assistance. Designers use automated systems for rapid concept generation. Musicians use AI to explore new sound possibilities creatively. These tools enhance creativity but also reshape artistic workflows. The role of humans shifts toward direction and refinement. Automation becomes a tool for expanding creative potential. But originality still depends on human intention and vision. Society continues debating where human control should remain absolute. Some believe critical systems should never be fully automated. Others argue full automation increases efficiency and reduces errors. The truth likely lies somewhere between both perspectives. Responsible automation requires careful design and ethical consideration. Future systems must prioritize safety, fairness, and transparency. As automation becomes more advanced, it starts influencing everyday human behavior deeply. People now rely on automated systems for even simple daily decisions. Navigation apps automatically choose routes without human planning anymore. Recommendation systems decide what movies, music, and content we consume. This creates a world where choices are increasingly guided by algorithms. Convenience increases, but personal decision-making may slowly weaken over time. Automation shapes habits by repeatedly influencing user preferences continuously. Over time, people begin trusting machines more than their own judgment. This trust shift is one of the biggest cultural changes today. Smart devices now manage homes with minimal human input required. Lights, security, and temperature adjust automatically based on behavior patterns. These systems learn routines and optimize comfort without manual control. This makes life easier, but increases dependency on technology systems. Dependency becomes a concern when systems fail or malfunction unexpectedly. A small technical issue can disrupt entire automated environments quickly. This highlights the importance of backup systems and human oversight. Automation in communication also changes how people interact socially. Chatbots and virtual assistants handle conversations in customer support. Many users now interact with machines instead of human representatives. This improves speed, but sometimes reduces emotional connection in service. Emotional intelligence is still a challenge for automated systems today. Machines can simulate empathy, but do not truly feel emotions. This limits their ability to fully replace human interaction roles. In workplaces, automation changes how teams collaborate and operate daily. Employees increasingly supervise systems rather than perform manual tasks. This shifts job roles toward monitoring, analysis, and control functions. Managers now rely on automated reports for faster decision-making. Real-time dashboards provide instant insights into business performance metrics. These insights help leaders respond quickly to market changes. Speed of information flow becomes a major competitive advantage. Companies that adopt automation often outperform slower competitors significantly. This creates pressure on businesses to constantly upgrade systems. Continuous improvement becomes necessary in an automated business environment. In transportation, automation continues to evolve rapidly across industries. Autonomous drones are now used for delivery in some regions. These drones reduce delivery time and operational costs significantly. However, safety regulations are still being developed for airspace use. Self-driving cars are undergoing extensive testing in controlled environments. Their goal is to reduce accidents caused by human error. But unpredictable real-world conditions still pose major challenges. Weather, pedestrians, and road complexity affect system performance greatly. Engineers continue refining sensors and decision-making algorithms constantly. In agriculture, automation now supports precision farming techniques widely. Sensors track soil conditions and optimize irrigation automatically. This reduces waste and improves crop production efficiency. Farmers use data-driven systems to make better planting decisions. Even pest control is now partially managed by automated systems. This reduces chemical use and improves environmental sustainability. Environmental monitoring systems also rely heavily on automation today. They track air quality, pollution levels, and climate changes continuously. This data helps governments respond to environmental risks faster. Automation plays a key role in disaster prediction systems as well. Early warning systems detect earthquakes, floods, and storms quickly. These systems can save lives by providing timely alerts. In finance, automated systems now analyze markets in real time. Trading algorithms react faster than any human investor possibly can. This speed changes the dynamics of global financial markets. Small fluctuations can trigger large automated trading responses instantly. This creates both opportunity and risk in financial systems. Regulation becomes essential to prevent unstable market behavior. Automation also influences entertainment through recommendation algorithms heavily. Platforms suggest content based on user behavior and preferences. This increases engagement, but can also limit content diversity. Users may get trapped in personalized content bubbles unknowingly. These bubbles shape opinions and influence perception of reality. Understanding algorithm influence becomes important in digital literacy education. People must learn how automated systems affect their choices. Awareness helps users maintain control over their digital behavior. Without awareness, automation can subtly guide decisions unnoticed. This raises questions about autonomy in an automated world. Autonomy means the ability to make,